So finally, welcome to Pathankote. 485. Behind you can see it's 485 from Delhi. So after. Everyone, it is 5:04 in the morning. Welcome to my channel, and this is my first stop with my bike Pathankote Royal Enfield Himalayan. Today I'm moving from Delhi to Pathankote and furthermore to Dalhousie, Palampur, and will return back via Haridwar, Rishikesh and back. So join in. Let's go back and hit the road. That's the human garbage mountain dump. देखो पूरा कचरा है. 20 kilometers and we find that here, a garbage dump. We are about to leave and enter the highway, about to leave the city and enter the highway the way to Karnal, and I was irritated by that, so I said तो वो सब कचरा है जितने पीछे दिख रहे हैं ना hills ऊपर है, that is all कचरा. चलो चलते हैं. Refilling done, 7 liters for 510 rupees. So kilometers is 518. Time is 6:26. Doesn't happen. Tank bhar diya. I'm feeling 7. I was advised not to fill it full due to the pressure of the heat from the tank. The pump. So let's move. Get going. 55, so we are on our way there. The road is bumpy till now. It's a highway, but it's quite bumpy. Villages you can see all around. The sun is up. Let's ride more. Stay tuned. Let's enjoy the highway. Welcome to the Panipat toll. This is the second toll. 100 kilometers already finished. Until Pathankote, Amritsar, another 500. The toll, I've taken my tea. 2 cups. This is it. Take the view. Enjoy it. Very hot now. It's around 10 in the morning. I'm about to reach Patiala, 27 kilometers that way. Of across Ludhiana. Stop here for tea. Done it. And just behind me is the toll. I was planning to call at Jalandhar for my friend. Pick up my call, so I'll just go straight. Another 200 plus. Okay, it breaks up. Let's move back. Head straight to Jalandhar. Move and there, let's pack. But it's running good. Have to refill once again. Catch you at the refilling then. For 7 liter, now it's 836. So it's giving me an average of 30 per liter. So 30 not bad. Which is the 25, which is the claim, and 30 is good enough in the highway. So let's hope and see that another will give another 30 for the second. 405 so far. That's a stone there, a milestone, Delhi 405. That means I've covered 405 till now. Kind of tired due to the heat, and by mistake I didn't check out my knees. My knees got scratch, patsaka, see? Scratch ho gaya yaar, both sides. Maybe it was during when I stand, I didn't recheck this one. ये scratch हो गया यार मेरा patsaka. चलो कोई नहीं, but patsaka is doing well. 30 mileage. I'll rest for a while, then we'll hit for another 100 kilometers approximately till we reach Pathankote. So stay tuned and let's reach Pathankote safely. So finally, welcome to Pathankote. 485, and you can see it's 485 from Delhi. So after it's 3 o'clock, so after how many hours? After 10 hours, I've reached here. So it's average of 48 kilometers per hour. 50, you can say, due to stop is nice. Weather here is quite clean, and the cloud is quite clean as compared to Delhi and Punjab. Another 2 kilometers to be in the city. So that's right, NH44. Welcome to Patsaka and me. Welcome to Pathankote.